Hi, welcome back. So this is the final video in this first lesson. We're going to carry on talking about the different food groups, specifically vitamins and minerals. As you can see from the picture there, there's vitamins and minerals are found in pretty much every food type in really minute amounts. The body only needs quite tiny amounts. So as you can see, the vitamins and minerals are required for many of the body's functions and to stay healthy. Eating a variety of food types, including lots of fresh fruit and veg, is a good way to ensure your body gets all the vitamins it needs. So like I said before, the vitamins and minerals for the body, tiny trace amounts. And you can get all that if you're eating plenty of fresh fruit, plenty of veg, lots of lean meat, and different types of meat. You're going to get all the vitamins and minerals you need. Lots of people ask me about different kinds of supplements and like vitamin tablets, and I would suggest that if you're eating well enough and you've got plenty of variety, plenty of colour on your plate, then you don't need vitamins and minerals, unless you're heavily pregnant or you've been prescribed by the doctor some kind of vitamin or mineral replacement tablet because you have some kind of deficiency due to an illness or whatever. Yeah, so get stacks of colour on your plate, lots of different types of fruit and vegetables, and you'll definitely get all the vitamins and minerals that you need. Remember the 5-a-day rule. That's a good place to start. A lot of people struggle to get to eat sort of 5 bits of fruit and vegetable a day, but once you start eating well enough, it's quite easy to do. Finally, I'm going to talk about water. So water obviously makes up a considerable part of the body. It's pretty much essential that you remain hydrated all the time in order for your body to basically function correctly. A lot of the chemical processes that take place in the body need water in order for that to happen. There's lots of functions in the body which I'll talk about a lot more in depth when I do the water specific video. And as a basic rule, if you feel thirsty at any time, then you're already dehydrated. So you should pretty much ensure that your urine is kept clear. You should aim to consume around 2 litres of water a day. That's about 8 sort of standard glasses. Now bear in mind that you can lose up to sort of 2 litres, sometimes up to 3.5 litres if it's hot or if you're exercising quite intensely in a day quite easily. So you must sort of replace that water. Okay, a couple of tips just to get you sort of into the balanced diet way of thinking. Alright, I'll talk a lot more about this in future videos. But basically you should ensure each meal contains protein, carbohydrates and fats and is made up of sort of lean meat, fresh fruit, veg, nuts and seeds. That sounds dead simple, okay, but it's amazing how many people just have their nutrition revolving around bread, potatoes, pasta and rice. Alright, so again, we'll talk about that a little bit more in depth. You should try and eat within the first hour of waking to kickstart your metabolism. Try to avoid sort of cereals that are sugar coated or have a high percentage of simple carbs. In that way, you will avoid the big peaks and troughs in your blood sugar levels and keep away hunger and the need to sort of be snacking on sweet, sugary snacks. Eat a balanced meal every 2 to 3 hours. This will maintain your metabolism and prevent you from falling into a starvation mode. It's also going to stop cravings and prevent large drops in blood sugar levels, like I said before. And just as a final reminder, remember that your daily calorie intake should be around 55 to 6% carbs, 30% fats, and 10 to 15% protein.